Hello guys, in this session of analog layouts, we'll be learning about current mirrors and different biasing circuits. So as an analog layout engineer or a circuit engineer, we may have come across lots of these circuits. Okay, these play very important. All in all, analog layouts are nothing but a bunch of current mirrors and differential pairs. So that's how this part of the circuit is very important when it comes to analog circuit or analog layouts. Now, when it comes to the layout design, okay, there are specific techniques what a layout engineer needs to follow, okay, to provide a stable current, a replica of a main reference current. So what are those? Let's dig into the index. What are we going to learn in this session? Okay, so first of all, what is a current mirror? Then what are the factors that impact? What happens if we don't arrange the transistors in a specific manner, and how is it going to impact the currents in the design? So whether it is fabrication related, whether it is layout related, we'll study about that. What are all the factors which are going to impact? And then we have seen very simple current mirrors in our design, which is pretty straightforward. Okay, and then but then at the same time, are these the only ones? Okay, there are varieties of current mirrors which we need to know. As a beginner, yes, you might be knowing one or two varieties, but as you progress based on experience, we have added different varieties of current mirrors as well. And yes, you should also be aware about what is the active load and what is a biasing transistor. You may have come across these things, but you wouldn't know that this is what it is. Okay? And many times layout engineers make mistakes the way they are connecting the device. Okay. Yes, just because gate and drain are connected, you cannot just hook up the connections, or just because there's a power supply running on a particular net or a guard ring, you cannot tap it. There's a specific purpose for every connection. That's what we'll learn about that as well. Okay, how to connect a basic current mirror. And in here in this session, we'll be also be talking about different test cases, like a real-time test cases, like how to interdigitate a current mirror. These might be some common steps which you might already be knowing, but yes, we'll dig in a little more into this, taking specific test cases, specific scenarios, and trying to give you real-time solutions as well. And also we even talk about how to calculate the metal width. Okay, so every time it's not that you will be using the default width. Okay, generally for EMIR calculations, you need to do some basic math over here to try and figure out how well you can utilize, make the correct connections. Okay, but it's not just single devices. You may also come across stacked devices. So we'll also be learning about what is a stacked device, how it is used in your current mirror. Whenever you need larger currents, larger lengths of devices, circuit designers go for stacked devices. So if they are of that sort, how to figure them out, how to lay them out so that your current mirror functions properly, and how to route the stacked devices. And again, we also talk about test cases using stacked devices. Okay, so we take two test cases and we try to explain this is how you're going to make a connection, this is how you're going to deal with this. And finally, when you go with lower technology nodes, you have hundreds of devices, tens and hundreds of devices, which you wouldn't know how to deal with them, how to do the floor plan, how to do the matching, how to arrange the dummy devices around it. Okay, so we'll take a test case and try to show you regarding that as well. Okay, and all in all, if you have to see, there's another course on Semionics Academy wherein we talk about analog layout matching techniques. Okay, wherein we start from the scratch till the end, trying to give you end-to-end understanding of what exactly are the matching techniques, be it interdigitation, be it common centroid, or be it with the resistors, capacitors. We'll dig deep detail into this course. We would advise you to have a look at this as well. All in all, I'll be giving you a link description about the current mirrors in this video. Okay, so you can get connected with us on Semionics Academy, wherein you will find lots of videos about current mirrors, differential pairs, isolation techniques. Mainly this whole setup is created for analog layout and physical verification engineers, and also the physical design guys who would want to understand what exactly happens when you're dealing with different kinds of layout designs. Okay. And you can connect with us on LinkedIn as well, on our LinkedIn homepage. And to get our latest updates quicker, access would be a WhatsApp group. Apart from that, as you can see, we are available on all of these platforms. This is YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Mastodon, and you can connect with us on the telephone. Or if at all you have any specific doubts, you can email us as well. So I'll be giving you a link which will directly take you to the course on analog mixed signal current mirrors and biasing circuit, and you can have access to the course over there. Thank you.